destroys the night, night divides the day. Try to run, try to hide, break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side, yeah. We chased our pleasures here, dug our treasures there, but can you still recall the time we cried? Break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side.
Hey dude, what's up?
Nothing much, man. What's up with you guys? Hey, Saleh, why do you look so lost, yeah?
Yeah, the website business isn't doing too well. And you know, by next Monday, we got to come up with 10 lakhs or else we're going to have to shut it down.
So, what's the problem, yeah?
Yeah, we can't arrange the money that quickly. And the bank won't loan us the amount without collateral. And on top of that, my dad is saying stop living in the dream world and come back to the family business.
Salah, you should be so lucky. Aapka business and all. At least there's no paise ka jhol. Better than working in a call center. Night in, night out, chindi chiller and no future.
I mean, there's no sense in doing something you hate. The garment export business? That's the reason why I left home in the first place. Man, I feel like committing suicide right now.
So commit, na?
Kya?
Suicide.
Hi guys, what's up?
Oi, Pappe, ki gal hai?
Dude, क्या हुआ? Who died?
Both of us will very soon, my friend. You don't even look a little bit worried. What kind of a business partner are you?
Oh, that. Sorry, man. Just having a couple of problems myself.
अब तेरे को क्या प्रॉब्लम है यार?
Priyanka, man, like we really like each other, and things are starting to get serious. Now, Dad wants her to get married as soon as possible.
समीर, अब ये मत बोलना कि तुझे इस लड़की से प्यार हो गया.
Oi, Chapkar Lalu. This is serious, man. Her dad is definitely not going to prefer a teacher like me for a doula.
अबे उसने तेरी खुददारी को ललकार है. क्या कर रहा है? मर्द बन. Be a man.
Oi, real cute Lalu. On top of that, getting money for the business is really stressing me. Anand, yeah, what you gonna do?
Don't worry, man. I'll think of something.
Oi, chal, the cab's here.
Hey, wait now. What's the hurry?
Smoke it in the cab na.
भाई लोगों को प्रणाम.
I just don't care what you say, Dad. I'm not ready to get married. No matter how much you keep parading me in front of all those men.
I have had this discussion with you one time too many. I know this is all because of that boy. He's not a suitable influence on you. Now, you will do exactly as I tell you to.
I just don't believe him. Do parents actually bring children up just so that they can marry them off or something?
बट प्रियंका, तुम तो पराया धन हो ना. एक दिन तुम्हें अपने ही घर जाना है.
Now you don't start, huh? Pass me that now.
So what about you and Bali? How are things between you two?
Be careful. Daddy would kill me if he knew I was seeing him.
Poor guy, yeah. I really feel sorry for him. And his business also isn't doing too well, na?
Listen, I need you to do me a favor.
What?
I'm supposed to meet Bali tomorrow. And since Daddy won't let me go alone, I'm going to tell him I'm out with you.
Yeah, sure.
Priyanka?
Chal, let's go downstairs before Daddy comes up and ask my future husband to uthao my doli from here itself.
अबे कुछ तो बोल.
यार मैं क्या बोलूं?
Is there no other way?
Dude, तेरे को पता है ना बैंक्स का सीन क्या है? This is the only way.
But yeah, Anand, Siddhant. अबे कुछ तो बोल ले.
Dude, he's the only guy who can lend us the money at such short notice.
But Siddhant Kapoor, after what happened in college, you have a huge history with this guy, man.
We have no choice, dude. It'll be fine. चल घंटी बजा.
तेरा प्लान है, तू बजा.
Hey guys, how's it going? I'll call you back.
चल रहा है. काम की बात करें?
So, I've looked over your proposition and I'm ready to loan you guys the money. But what? How can I be sure you guys will manage to pay me back? 10 lakhs is a big amount.
Are you going back on our agreement now?
No, not at all. What if you guys can't pay me back in 3 months? It just doesn't make sense to.
Get to the point, Siddhant. What are you suggesting?
I'm just saying that it's real easy for two guys with a lot of money and no experience to, well, make a mistake. In the event that you can't pay me back, I shouldn't have to lose out, you see. I need some kind of collateral.
Collateral? What kind of collateral?
Well, how about the company itself?
What? तू पागल है क्या?
एक second रुक यार.
Look, all I'm saying is, if you can't return the money to me in 3 months, with interest, you sign over the papers of the company to me. I think that's a fair deal.
हमें क्या पागल कुत्ते ने काटा है? Anand, this guy?
Balli, this is the only chance that we've got to get the money. And I've done all the calculations. In 3 months' time, not only will we be able to pay him back the money with interest, but we'll have enough left over to use as further capital.
But Anand,
Dude, trust me, it'll be fine. And it's the only chance that we've got. Fine, Siddhant, we agree. Now, can we have the money before you come up with new conditions?
Sure, come down to the office tomorrow and we'll sign the papers. I'll give you guys a check. Now I got some work to catch up on. It's been good doing business with you guys. Cheers.
I don't trust this guy. Man, I hope you know what you're doing. I win.
Oh, great. Dad's been up to my life to get married. Don't laugh, okay? It's not funny. So, what are we going to do?
What?
Be serious, yeah. You know how badly my dad wants to marry me off.
Priyanka, I really like you. And I want to be with you. Obviously, I want to marry you. I just need some time. At least give me time till the business starts doing well. And then, good news, we've managed to arrange for the money.
From where?
Siddhant Kapoor.
Siddhant? Nidhi's brother Siddhant? I thought you were borrowing money from the bank or something.
The bank would lend us the money. Besides, this Anand's idea.
Are you sure? You guys hated him. And now you want to borrow money from him?
I know, but there was no other choice. Anyways, forget about it. Let's talk about something else. I know you're a little upset about everything that has been going on. I just need some time, that's all.
Look, I'm really sorry. It's getting late and I need to get going. My dad's probably wondering I haven't gotten home.
Leave? But you just got here.
Sorry, some other time. I'll call you.
I came as soon as I could. Traffic's hell, yeah. So what's up?
2 और शादी के प्रपोजल आए हैं.
Who is it this time? Who dares play? कौन बनेगा प्रियंका का पति?
नमूना नंबर 1 महेंद्र शर्मा. Huge jewelry business in Dubai. शक्ल से तो थर्ड ग्रेड मजनू और साबुन का स्मगलर लगता है.
जो फिल्म थिएटर में स्क्रीन से दूसरी रो में बैठ के हर आइटम नंबर पे जोर से सीटी बजाता है. इससे शादी करेगी तो तेरी लाइफ तो सेट है. सुबह उठ के नहाने का पानी गर्म करो, नाश्ता बनाओ और कपड़े इस्त्री करो. Then he goes off to his Mahinder's world of gold, while you prepare your 2 children, Chunnu and Munnu, for school. और शाम को जब साहब घर लौटेंगे तो एक पतिव्रता औरत की तरह you'll have dinner waiting for him on the table. और हाँ, रात को सोने से पहले उनके पाँव भी तो दबाएगी. After all, पति के चरणों में ही तो पत्नी का स्वर्ग होता है.
छी, मुझे नहीं करनी है स्मगलर से शादी. गिफ्ट में सोने का एक सेट भी भेजा है.
Now that's what you call सोने का सुहाग. You've really struck gold, यार.
और ये ले नमूना नंबर 2 हरीश चंद्र वर्मा 31 years old IT engineer from New Jersey. Look how he spelled Jersey, JERZEY, and check out what he's written. I, Harish Chandra, pet's name Hari, enjoy short long walks on the beaches followed by quick romantic dinner. Only home cooked food, huh? Presently working in Aerosoft Inc. as senior hardware engineer with good take home remuneration. If proposal is acceptable, please accept. Attached gift of silver jewelry set. If not, please return to address given behind photograph. यार दीदी, ऐसे पागल ही क्यों प्रपोजल भेज रहे हैं मुझे? मैं कहती हूँ कोई क्वालिटी नाम की चीज है या नहीं? And what kind of people is my father setting me up with? एक स्मगलर तो दूसरा जोकर. इनसे शादी करने से तो अच्छा है मैं खुद ही भर्ती हो जाऊँ सर्कस में.
So has Mahinder also asked you to return the gold set? Or can we keep it? Hey, I really like this, yeah. Damn stylish.
Oh, this Palli gave it to me for my birthday. I'm really attached to it and I really like him. But he seems to be so busy with his business these days. Haven't met him for almost a week now. God knows what's gonna happen between us.